This is the best camp in the state of Arkansas, the most intellectual camp I have ever been to. And I've been to a lot of things like science fair, like debate tournaments, and I would say overall, I met so many people here who are basically on my level and I can communicate with, have a one-to-one conversation about religion, about politics, about society. I played in the band, brought my violin there, and I gained a lot of respect from my county members and a lot of popularity because I was playing Pirates of the Caribbean every night. Broke a couple of bow hairs because I was playing a little bit too hard, but overall it was an excellent experience. The conductor was really great and very enthusiastic, and I really enjoyed it. One of the things I learned from Boise State is a respect for this country. And I also learned a lot about local and county governments because in the past I don't really know what these justices do, or if they're running for sheriff or if they're running for judge, then what exactly was it? So I ran for as many offices as I could. I got to be the Federalist Party secretary for the entire party, and also the city of Glen City, the city Federalist chairman. So it was an excellent experience overall. Got to run for governor, but I did not win. I lost in the runoff, but that's fine. It was a great experience for me. I also highly encourage everyone. This is a great opportunity to run for positions. Like, I was walking around the Capitol and I saw they had replaced the names of those elected officials with the names of people that we had elected at Boise State. So it's like the full experience, the full deal, and when it concludes, I'm really sad that it has to come to an end, but definitely it's one of the greatest decisions you can make over the entire summer. My name is Sutang Ma. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas, and Boise State has changed my life.